Hey guys, Rachel here with WTI, and this is Chlorella Powder, and it's by a company called Microingredients. I have bought tons of supplements from Microingredients. I think they're a great company, and I really like Chlorella Powder. It helps to detoxify the body, it's a great support to the liver, and it's a green powder. So if you feel like you're not getting enough greens throughout the day, this is a super easy way to do it. So I definitely don't eat enough green vegetables. So what I'll do is I'll take a scoop of the green powder, the chlorella. It already comes with the scoop in the bag, and I'll just mix it in water. I don't mind the taste at all, and I find that it mixes super easily, and I'll just drink that up first thing in the morning, and at least I know I've already had something green to drink. I like the bag. I find that it helps to keep the chlorella nice and fresh. I end up having it for a long time because I just need one small scoop each day. So if you're looking for chlorella powder, try this one out by Microingredients. I think it's a super product. I like the amount that I get in it too. Non-GMO, it's organic. I love it. You will too, and that's my point of view.